Hello, welcome to my channel. A week ago, Node.js 19 was released. In this video, we will see what's new in Node.js 19. Let's get started. 1. Node.js Watch Mode is now available. This is an experimental feature. It allows you to run Node application with the watch flag, which will restart the Node process when it detects changes in the directory. This feature is useful for development. It is similar to the nodemon. 2. HTTP 1.1 Keep Alive is enabled by default. This feature is useful for performance. It allows the TCP connection to remain open for multiple requests. This reduces the time required to set up new TCP connections. The default Keep Alive duration is 5 seconds. 3. Stable Web Crypto is now available in Node.js. It is a standard cryptographic API for the web platform. It provides a secure and performant way to handle cryptographic operations. The Web Crypto API is available globally in Node.js. It can be accessed using crypto.webcrypto global object. 4. The V8 engine is updated to version 10.7, which is part of Chromium 107. This version includes a new feature to the JavaScript API. The NPM version is updated to 9.19.2. Also, Node 14 is now in maintenance mode. It will be supported until April 2023. If you are using Node 14, you should upgrade to Node 16. Node 16 is the current LTS version. It will be supported until April 2024. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will see you in the next video.